Good morning, friends. I hope you are fine. Yesterday I left you at the topic of Swaraj, and I gave you a little bit meaning on it. Today I want to continue on the same topic, right? Because it was given by one of the eminent personality, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi. Swaraj, in the context of the freedom struggle in India, referred to freedom as a constitutional and political demand. Swaraj, listen to very carefully. Swaraj is a constitutional and political demand, and as a value of the social collective level. It's a social collective level. It has its own value. Social means depends on the society. That is why Swaraj was such an important rallying cry in the freedom movement. Rallying cry means everybody wants to get freedom from Britishers. They used to cry and say the slogan, shout the slogan, Swaraj, Swaraj, right? Inspiring Tilak's famous statement, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. स्वयं के ऊपर राज करना, अपना राज होना. It is my birthright and I shall have it. So you know the importance of Swaraj. That's why when you are 21 years of age, when you will be 21, you are being adult. It means you can rule on yourself. Government, the constitution gives you the independence, complete independence, so that you can rule on yourself. You are not under anyone. It is the understanding of Swaraj as rule over the self. I told you, Swayam Raj, over the self, apne aap par. Swaraj over the self, that was highlighted by Mahatma Gandhi in his work Hind Swaraj, where he states, I repeat, it is the understanding of Swaraj as rule over the self that was highlighted by Mr. Gandhi in his work Hind Swaraj, where he states, it is Swaraj when we learn to rule ourselves. It is Swaraj when we learn to rule ourselves. Quotation closed. Swaraj is not just freedom, but liberation in redeeming one's self-respect, self-responsibility, and capabilities. When you learn that what type of capabilities, when you know that what type of capabilities you have, what type of responsibility of society and self-responsibility you have, it means you are growing up, you are grown up, and you are being adult, and you know the meaning of Swaraj. When you are able to learn that you can rule on yourself. Self-responsibility and capabilities. For self-realization from institution of dishumanity, understanding the real self and its relation to the communities and societies is critical to the project of attaining Swaraj. So these are some words. That words are, again I want to tell you, first your self-respect, your self-responsibility, your capabilities, your self-realization from institution, then your real self. That is all means Swaraj. Mr. Gandhi believed that development that follows would liberate both individual and collective potentialities guided by the principle of justice. Needless to say, Such an understanding is as relevant to the 21st century. Next, I will complete in next video. Till then, thank you and take care.